Hey guys, we're down here at Hygrade Water. David's been good enough to give us some of his time today, so thanks very much for that.
Absolutely.
He's going to run us through a whole heap of valves, tell us exactly what happens down here in the factory, what they offer, and the products that could be servicing you guys.
Thanks very much for that. Much appreciated for you guys to come down here, and welcome to Hygrade Melbourne in Victoria. Especially Darcy, thank you very much for arranging this from TradeLink. A very good partner of Hygrade Water. Welcome to Hygrade, let's go in and have a look. This is Simon. Simon's our warehouse operations guy.
Yeah.
We're just going to do a quick tour of our warehouse and let you know how we do things here at Hygrade in Melbourne. So procedure, I suppose. We've got it on the shelf, we pack it, we get it ready. Driver comes in, picks it up, or your customer comes in and picks it up on your behalf, TradeLink, and we go from there. But anyway, welcome to the warehouse.
So welcome to the Dandenong warehouse. We've got warehouses in New South Wales and Queensland, but this one services Vic, Tas, South Australia and WA. So everything you want is pretty much on the shelf, ready to go.
So it's about 2 years old.
Yeah,
we've been here. Victoria branch has been here 2 years,
Yep.
Did this morph from something else?
Not really, kind of stemmed from the New South Wales operation,
Okay.
which is about 900 spaces.
Yeah, 900 pallet spaces.
Yep.
Okay.
Which is pretty big.
How many is this?
330.
Oh, so three
Yep.
times. Okay.
Yep.
So if we don't have it in stock, we draw it off them and get it overnight.
Yep. 1 day lead
Depending
time.
on what it is, yeah.
Yep.
And if the
Okay.
customer can wait another day, we put on a slow freight, but so it's cheaper.
Okay.
Yep. Yeah, we house a lot of category A's, so category A is on the shelf ready to go, all your sort of stock standard sizes. So when the plumber comes in and says, you know, we need this and that, we've got it.
Yep.
Anything that's a bit more niche, it might be in New South or Queensland, a couple of days lead time, but it's all well communicated, so we don't give you a bum steer and you know, you're lying to your customer. So, so this is generally everything in the warehouse is sort of coded, everything's barcode. We've got scanners, we've got stock inquiries, so we know what we've got on hand and other branches. So if you give us a call straight away, we know what we've got. We can give you a price if you need, or we can do a quote formation, especially if it's a project.
Okay.
So this is a haku. Haku is a New Zealand term, and it's basically a saddle. Yeah. So this will strap onto your PE, and you can hot tap straight off it. So
Oh wow. Okay.
yeah, comes in all different dimensions. Starts off with your 25 BSP to your 50 BSP.
Yep.
And then we go from 80 mil all the way up to custom sizes. Generally, we stock everything that is required.
So just going over.
Straight over
Gel,
pipe.
what?
Just poly.
Just poly?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
It's an easy repair.
It is, isn't it?
Yep.
Yep.
So is that for your, are they your tap-in branches mainly, or is that,
Yep. So,
just ferrule out of the top of that one?
yep. Drill straight into it and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, you can put a bush in there that can convert it to a 50 or 50 to a 25, depending on what your requirements
They've got to
are.
go into, yeah.
Yeah. And do you guys supply the ferrule as well, or is that?
We can if we need.
Yeah. Okay.
Yep.
Cool. In terms of what's the main size that you're selling?
125 by 100 and 180 by 100. They go off the shelf a couple times a day.
Yep.
Plumbers coming in and everyone else is sort of requesting them. So yeah, we stock about 20 of them a day out the door.
And other merchants actually buy off us as well.
Yep.
Because probably because of the quality.
Yep.
Because the authority will specify that they want the haku or they want the Sinaflex.
Yep.
So that's what they have to do. They do it.
Yep.
So
and you guys, are you constant? Do all of your sales go through merchants, or do you go through direct as well?
Direct, yeah.
Yep. Okay.
Direct to customer, direct to merchant. Yep.
Yeah.
But more so, we selling through the through one of our dealer networks, which is someone like TradeLink. Then there's other customers out there that buy direct off us and resell to their customers. But we're tying up a relationship with TradeLink because we want to beat Reece at their own game. Fair. You know what I'm saying?
Makes sense.
So the specific water authorities is normally where the product's going to end up. 9 times out of 10 it'll go into, you know, a water board or a shire or council, and they're getting more awareness out there of how good our product actually is. You know, so it's specified, and it's very difficult to put something else in there because of the quality. You might pay slightly more, but it's well worth it at the end of the day.
You're not getting callbacks.
That's right. And
so that's the main one, no callbacks. So.
And Mark can touch base later on just on the quality and the things that you actually don't need as an extra to go with your product. You know, like liners and things like that. So Mark will touch base on that with the presentation.
Cool.
So then we go into our next part of our stock control.
So we've got our Harkus, and then we come into our System 2000, which is for PE connectors. Really affordable. It's got a gripper. Already comes with our flange adapter. Already come with a gasket built in, so you don't have to get that auxiliary sort of gasket. And they're pretty straightforward, and the highest quality that you could probably on the market at the moment. So
Looking at it.
It's quite sharp, so just be mindful.
It's been I've been bitten a couple of times.
Dave A's put a couple of safety reports in for his fingers. So.
Have work safe down at the...
It's more so when you're stacking it for display.
Yes.
Yeah, but look at that's when you hit onto the pipe though.
And so that's so types of pipes that it'll join onto.
So this one's specifically for PE. And we've got some other options out there that grab onto everything. But yeah, System 2000 through Havla is PE only.
So this is an alternative to, say, polyfusion welding effectively. Are people doing it that way? It's just quicker than...
Still reach your PN16, so it's really... it connects really well and grips, as you can tell, it grips onto your fingers, so you can imagine what it does to the pipe. So,
Okay, cool.
And then, so that's that. And then obviously, System 2000 comes in all sorts of dimensions as well. They get a bit bigger and dustier.
If we're not moving them quick.
No, that's right.
Well, I mean, the size.
Come on, TradeLink.
It is.
Get him out the door.
Come on, guys, stop buying on
Exactly. At the moment I'm eating Vegemite on toast. I want a roast.
And then we've got our System 2000 sluice valves. We come in stocked 300 all the way down to 65 mil. And that's in the socket formation, so that's your PE straight in, and then we've got flanges as well. So
does that mean you can just join
straight in?
Tables,
These ones are flanges, but we'll show you later with the socket. Same deal, just PE straight in, no liners. Just grip straight on. Same gripper system. So watch your fingers. And so still in our socket areas, we keep it all together, so that makes life easier on me to make sure you get a socket, not a flange.
Just watch the
forklift. Just every sort of ready to go. And it's down on the ground level for quick access, and once that go, we'll just grab another one down and straight in. And then we've got our CCs, so obviously majority of Victoria is ACC. We do have the CC option, which is normally, I think ACT are pretty much the only ones that use CC these days. But we do have the option here to...
so anti-clockwise is that way, is it?
Oh, now you're getting me.
Yeah. Just for you at home. It's definitely that way.
No, it's the other one.
Yeah.
It's that way.
Yeah.
So it's that way.
But that's one of the important questions we ask a customer, is it ACC or CC? Because once you get out on site, if you've got the wrong formation,
They'll bring it back.
You have to bring it back. So if you always get asked ACC or CC,
Yep.
you got to, which Vic is ACC, but
Yep.
Yeah.
yeah.
ACDC.
ACDC.
So extras.
Yeah.
Now, if I wasn't confused beforehand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we'll go on the middle section because it's sort of storage up there.
Yep.
But this is our Sinoflex section. So the wall of Sinoflex. So every sort of formation you can think of is there, from step couplers, straight through couplers, flange adapters, end caps. Sinoflex is the brand. Yep. Still, so it's Havla. Havla is the manufacturer. So these all come comes across the sea to us in shipping containers, and then I have the lovely job of pulling them out and barcoding them up and doing the quality assurance on them. So
Good job, mate.
That's all.
Keep it
that's
up.
a fantastic part of my job. So pretty much all your bottom level is your quick ones that go out daily. You know, your flange adapters, your couplings, and then when we go into the second level is a bit more of a niche sort of sizes, and then a lot of your flange adapt steps, and then to full storage up top. So we are really stocked in Victoria when it comes to Sinoflex. We've got it on the shelf ready to go.
Yep.
Yeah.
Is that your main moving?
In Victoria, yeah.
Yep.
Sinoflex, absolutely, 100%. So everyone loves a good Sinoflex. Good.
How often would you restock?
We restock daily.
It comes over on this.
Yeah. So if we sell out, we'll probably sell out of the hundreds, one crate a week.
Oh, wow.
So that's so we at the moment I know we've got about 300 of them here.
Yeah, nice.
Just sort of strategically put around, so it gets to a minimum level, and then we'll
And it's
get from
reordered.
and we'll
Yeah,
just
great.
get it from New South or beyond Queensland.
Yeah.
But yeah, we are fully always stocked.
So is Queensland the same size as New South, or is New South the largest?
New South's probably the biggest now.
It is
Queensland
now.
is about
Queensland's-
equally, just a little bit under.
Think about 800 shelf, 850 shelf space.
Okay.
Yep.
Yep.
New South is now 900.
900.
And how have you noticed? So how long has it been in Victoria, or has it always been in Vic, just smaller, or is it sort of vastly growing here as well?
It's growing. I think this warehouse, we've outgrown it. So it's coming to a time where it's going to stay local still, but obviously bigger.
Yep.
So
Yep.
that's in the growth plan. So
Yep.
yeah, that is a good rep. Don't need to go to the gym when you're here.
You're the chipper, man.
See, it
Yeah.
shuts perfectly too.
Yeah.
How smooth it was too.
Yeah.
So
Have you sold many
Yeah.
of these?
Yeah.
yeah.
Yep. Absolutely. For
Yep.
bigger projects, you know.
Rail and things like that?
Yeah, maybe rail.
Or road,
Yeah,
or-
more water and wastewater.
Yeah, definitely
and-
water.
Yep. Hydro.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Yep.
What areas is that? So in terms of, is that like just, is it more rural side of things with that, or like bringing in new estates, or is it
No,
it's changing over inner city and stuff as well?
bit of both, really, isn't it?
Pump
It's
stations.
pumps,
Pump stations.
mainly.
Mostly anywhere there's a pump, you expect to have a check valve.
Yeah.
And this one in particular, so if you're looking to reduce the power consumption on a pump and your loss of head from water,
Yep.
and you want something that's going to open quickly.
Yep.
Yep.
And then you wait it so that it closes if for some reason there's a failure with the pump.
Yep.
You don't want water coming back toward the pump or anything like that, so
Yep.
it'll close to stop that from damaging.
It works as your
the-
backflow.
That's what your weight does, yeah.
So it's a backflow prevention, and the idea with being tilting disc or slanted disc is that you get that quick reaction in relation to opening, because that's where all your consumption of power and
Yep.
loss of water head and everything else comes into it. So,
Yeah, okay. Very cool.
Yep.
Yep. Beautiful.
Then move on to the.
Yeah, a bit of our storage department. So we're looking for our next sort of fittings shipment coming in later this month. So just got to move it, make space for it. So I've got enough space. I've got 22 pallets coming in. So we should be able to fit enough in there. But this houses our niche sort of market, our encapsulation collars. So it jumps straight on the pipe when there's a leak. You don't have to shut down the main. Just release the nipple, and
We'll have a chat about that when
chat it in there, and a bit more of a
bit more
yeah.
focus on it. This is just showing you what we've got,
Yep.
Yeah.
where it is, how quick we can get it out.
Yeah.
Yep.
So same with our dismantle joints. So we got thrust and no thrust,
Sell a
and they
couple of those
move
and go,
really
right.
quick.
that.
Yeah. And yeah, just more Oscarn valves. Nova Sierra multi-group coupling, which is very popular, especially with the above 350 DN.
Yep.
And that obviously can go up to 1800 DN and more. So
Not that we've got any of that.
we won't carry an 1800 DN. I don't think the pallet racking would handle it.
No.
So, but yeah, they are our quick movers. They come and go really quick. As you can see, we've only got a couple stocked here at the moment.
Yep.
Yeah, which Mark will touch base on
I
the
didn't ask before, but what was the difference between the black and the blue? What was that?
yeah, so Nova Sierra is our black. It's a resin covered still. So
Yes.
yeah.
So it's just
So,
a different
colour.
brand,
Yeah.
different
brand,
manufacturer.
okay.
So
Okay.
Oscarn are out of Turkey,
Okay.
and under the Havler banner.
Yep.
And so is the Nova Sierra, which
Okay.
is the black.
Okay.
So that's all your bigger, larger means of coupling pipe.
Okay.
Yep.
Same pipe though? Works on the same pipe?
It'll work on all pipe, yeah.
Yep.
Yep.
Great.
So is that due to the teeth side of things of it, or is it?
Yeah, it's just
Just where it can get a grip onto it.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And these ones use liners unless it's going on to die cast. So
Yep.
these ones do come with the liners. Obviously, that's a lot bigger sort of dimension
Yep.
of the other pipe.
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah.
Cool.
And then all our beautiful
Ductile line fitting.
ductile, yeah. So we've got our blank flanges, we've got our socket flanges, we've got washout bends and everything. Yeah, we've got T's, bends.
Throw that bad boy around there, man.
Tell me.
Oh yeah.
So we sell a lot of that stuff for like big pump station projects where ductile line is required, not HDPE.
Yep.
Yep.
So then that's when we use our couplings.
Yep.
Yep. But for DI, mainly the pump stations and a few under road
Yes.
pipe work jobs. But yeah, we keep a good range of all that. So we're selling that like, probably daily now.
Yes.
Yep.
Yep.
Okay, so that's a fast mover as
That's
well.
a fast mover,
Yeah.
yeah, because they want it fairly quick.
Yeah.
225 seems to be the
go.
size at the moment. So
Yep.
a lot of inquiries coming through for our 225s. So they're going off the shelf pretty quick.
Yep.
And yeah, next shipments should be in that pallet rack at the end of the month. So that
Yep.
should be nice.
Is that through like a tendering process?
A lot of the times, yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I was thinking. isn't
Yeah,
it?
I'm looking, I'm going.
Yeah, I'm thinking, we're always tendering, right? So
Yep.
is that same for you?
Yeah, absolutely. We get a bill of quantities. You guys send it to us, and it's got 90-degree bends, 45 bends, 225 pipe lengths, and things like that.
Yep.
We'll see that, and we'll mark off everything that we can supply you, and we'll price it.
Yep.
And then you can go in with your tender and
Yeah.
And do the engineers come to you guys first when they're designing them?
yes,
So they
absolutely.
come-
9 times out of 10 it'll be Mark.
Yep.
And we do presentations to the consulting houses.
Yep.
So your GHDs and your of the likes.
Yep.
And that's how you get your stuff specified because they look for quality.
Yep.
I mean, they're joining a big jigsaw puzzle,
Yeah, definitely.
That's where we come in and help. They want pipe, they want valves, they want adapters, they want pumps, they want switchboards. It's a massive project.
Yep.
Yeah.
So they just bring the jigsaw puzzle in,
Yep.
and then they go out to tender.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. So we've got to keep our eye on the tenders to find out what's going on, and then we get that, and then we can quote.
Yep.
Yep. Low margins, of course, but you have to do that.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yep. No, that's all right. I was more just saying that because obviously when we do tender, we obviously see specific brands come up, and you go, well, is that from the engineer helping it? Is it your engineer who designs it for them, that style of thing?
Yep.
So yeah, that makes more sense.
Yep.
Easier for you guys to price it for you if you've already done it as well.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, well,
right.
we always see the tender
Yeah.
come out and we see who the consultant is and go, oh yeah, we got involved in that part of it.
Yep.
Yeah.
So we know we can quote that part of it.
Yep.
But we can quote anytime, anywhere, anyhow.
Yeah.
Like to anyone.
Yep.
Yep.
Okay, cool.
Yep, we can give you a quick stock check if, because items obviously fly off the shelf and they're not something you can create overnight.
Yep,
So
yep.
you do get a lot of those inquiries where, hey mate, do you have any of these? And you know that that's the hot item. So
Yeah.
yeah.
Yep. I think you might have brought a few fittings from us. Yeah.
Yep, so
So-
we stock the whole Cineflex range up to 300, I think, we
Yep.
keep in stock off the shelf.
Yep.
Yep, so, and then we're looking to probably over the next month increase that range, putting some of the System 2000 and the table leaf flange to
Yep.
Cineflex as well.
Yep.
Fantastic.
Yep.
All right, well that's about it from us out here in the warehouse.